In this video, a nurse will understand the various aspects of intake-output charting, its indication, purposes, importance, and key points to remember. So what is intake? Intake is a measurement of all the fluids which was taken by the mouth, for example like milk, water, tea, coffee, ice chips, ice creams, etc.
In this scenario, you are able to see a nurse is providing an oral feed to a patient, in which a nurse is providing a small bowl of a soup to a patient that is approximately equal to 150 ml. So, in the intake-output chart, in the intake column for a oral feed, you have to mention 150 ml of feed.
Soup 150 ml.
In this scenario, you are able to see a nurse is providing a rice tube feeding to a patient. Suppose the doctor had prescribed 200 ml of RT tube feeding every second hourly. So, after giving a feed, you have to maintain the intake-output chart. So, in the intake column, you will mention the RT feed at the time. 200 ml of RT feed. So, the total balance is 1439.5 ml.
This is just a trailer, but if you are really interested in learning all clinical procedures, we have a video library that includes all clinical procedures followed at 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐲𝐃𝐢𝐬 accredited hospitals. You know, all the videos are demonstrated by the clinical experts working at 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐲𝐃𝐢𝐬 accredited multi-specialty hospitals. And the most important features of this video is that they include common clinical errors. Hey, so what are you waiting for? Contact us here and improve your clinical skills. Thank you.